Hi guys, welcome back. We are going to do another Creed review. This one it will be Virgin Island Water by Creed. This sample I got from Nose Paris. This is one of those online web shops out of France where you can order samples, buy your Creed perfumes, and a lot of people are buying online from Nose.fr because you can buy from there the Creeds and get it shipped to the United States on one condition, that you have already visited France and bought from their store there. So basically you need to have an account in France to buy the fragrances and let it get shipped to the States or anywhere else in the world. So I tested it out fully, just a little bit left over, so let me just spray it once. Yeah, immediately you're getting like the citruses that you are getting from this candy that is like a sour lemony candy, but that's only in the opening. It dries down, it goes away. It has some sweetness, but it is not a cloying sweetness. It's a natural sweetness that you can get from any kind of fruit, from for example like lemons, citrusy sweetness. Yeah, it smells really like a sour lemon candy. I'm also getting a lot of the coconut inside of it. It's milky, it's really milky. It smells like you went on a tropical vacation, to be honest. It's really a good perfume. It's an amazing perfume. I love it. It's amazing for the summer daytime. The coconut is there. I'm not getting any mandarin out of it right now, but some people get mandarin. I'm getting the lime, the bergamot. No rums, to be honest, but it's an amazing perfume. Very citrusy, very coconutty. If you are one of those people that like happy scents that make you happy, this one is it. It's really a happy scent for a good time. It can be worn in the office, it can be worn everywhere, to be honest, but only in the summertime because it's very fresh and it won't last long in the winter. Is it overpriced? This one is one of those Creeds that I believe are overpriced. Yes, this one is overpriced. It's not worth what you're getting because you can get a lot more for a lot less, to be honest. Yeah. For example, the coconut in this one, you can get a lot of cheaper fragrances that replicate the same coconut smell from it. Or even buy one coconut fragrance and another citrus fragrance and just layer them, you're getting almost exactly the same. So price wise, it's not worth it. Scent wise, is it worth it? Scent wise, it's a very good scent. Now, the taste wise, it's subjective, but for me, honestly, I would not pay the money amount to get this. Is it for men or women? It's pretty unisex. It's leaning more to the feminine side. Can a man wear it? Yeah, a man can wear this for sure. It's a very good perfume. It's a unisex perfume. Longevity wise, it's pretty long lasting, I would say. For such a fresh perfume, I'm getting 6 to 7 hours from it. Sillage is not that good, but hey, what do you expect from a Creed in today's day and age? Creeds don't really have much sillage anymore left. It's really refreshing, uplifting. I'm getting saltiness from it, like coconut mixed with some nice saltiness. It's milky. You really have to put your nose into this one because this is special. This one is really one of those perfumes that you really want to be smelling and put your nose in it. Looking just at the juice, it does have just a bit of viscosity, which means like oiliness in it. It's really a good perfume, but it's a shame for the price, because for that price you can get a lot of other perfumes. Like for example, you can get Maison Francisco Jean Aqua Celestia Forte, which is just an amazing perfume. This is also an uplifting, happy perfume. You are getting more mintiness from it, more citruses. It really smells realistic. This one smells realistic too, but it has the coconut in it, which gives it a totally different touch, totally different vibe. It's not powdery, it's fresh, it's has this natural sweetness. It smells very natural, that I have to give this one. But I'm sure you can get other perfumes for less than this one and just performing just as well and just as good. The scent is kind of unique, but in the same way it's not unique, because I'm sure there are other perfumes that you can just layer and just get the same effect from it. It does smell very exotic, very Caribbean, uplifting, happy. So it's really just an happy, uplifting, moody perfume. It's only the price that's putting me off, that it's not worth it. But hey, that's what you are getting with Creed. Should you buy this? Should you gift this? I would say don't gift this, don't buy this, completely avoid this perfume, because price wise it's really not worth it. For half the price you are getting just as good of a perfume from other brands, and for that same price you can buy other fragrances from the House of Creed which are even better than this one. So guys, hope you enjoyed the review. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao ciao.